Hi guys, and welcome to Fix Market Strategy. We're looking at the market right now. Today we give a live stream about selling down New Zealand. I think it's going good. So we continue now. Please, if you do have any question, you can send it. So we are having a sell pound Australian right now. Hi Mr. Amin, how are you? Okay guys, please, if you do have any question, you guys are most welcome to type it down right here. We can discuss this. Please don't forget to hit the like button. If you guys would like me to leave like a like button picture in front of you, then I can do that. This will remind you to click on the like button. If you guys would like to join our signal group, please send it to our admin and she will be adding you. There is some fees for this one. So yesterday we did give a pound New Zealand signal. Started doing good now. There was kind of low liquidity last night, so it did not move as much. Hey guys, so let's make this more beneficial. Also, what we can do is we can share some of the signals in trading view. For those who are not familiar with the service we do offer, Hey guys, sorry about this, we're just fixing the screen right here. Here we go. Should be good now. Okay guys, for those who are new, what we have, this is our website, Forex Market Strategy. So we offer trading systems, okay? Like we do have the BSA power meter. We have ABC Advanced Gravity Band, ABC Advanced Profit Cloud Oil System, Advanced Profit Cloud, then a lot of indicators and experts. There is a lot of free stuff also, as you can see, so if you guys want to download some free stuff, you guys are more welcome. Okay guys, please, if you have any question right here. Okay, how's it going? I put the target right here, so okay. We do have 2001 followers in TradingView, and that's nice. You guys are welcome. Excuse me. That's nice. It's falling here as we expect. And this is not moving yet. It's going up a little bit, coming down right here. Volatility. It did go up, but it did come down again. Okay guys, let's do some analysis right here. First, let's start with pound Canadian as it's coming down right now. We jump to the chart. So this maybe end up like an ABCD formation. So we can trade it like this. See, 60% right here. So really, that's probably a possible target right here. That's an ugly color, I don't like it. Let's put it green and put this kind of red. Okay, I hope this is better, not uglier. Okay guys, $1.6950. This is the target, and this is the seller right here. right? So this is entry and this is stop loss. This is the target. Okay. So we can short this one. And this is okay. That's probably enough. 200. Okay. So publish this one, and I'm gonna share the link with you guys, so you guys nicely can give it a like. Thank you. Hey guys, what we can do second, Euro Australian. Unbelievable, unbelievable. Okay guys, that's amazing. Let's look at this one. Guys, look at this one. Look at this target right here at 1.62, 1.6307. Look at this target, okay? How beautiful is this? Almost per pip, if you take spread into consideration, and that's from here, 1.6580, and targeting over, you know, of about 300 bips, 270 bips. It hit the target and just big correction afterwards. Isn't that nice? This, you know, it didn't work exactly the same way. It did come down first, then it did go back to the same area, but it did reach the target, which is beautiful. That's nice. Okay. We can scale boundaries in also. Excuse me. So guys, that was a big pattern, but it didn't work out here. But we put the trend line as a big support area. This is what we want to remove this one. That's an 80%. do on this one. Excuse me. Okay guys, here is the link.
So get this, every 1.07 seconds, a new user goes to Wix.com and starts creating their professional website. That's 80,000 go-getters joining every day. They're already
400. I think 12,400 is going to be. Hi guys, we're looking at the Nasdaq here, and we think we should be buying only Nasdaq at this price at the 11,000 range. Okay. And why this? First of all, no matter who's gonna win in the election, most likely the three indices, the SPX and the Nasdaq and the Dow, they're gonna rally to the upside big time. Okay, that's number one. Number two, November 6th, we do have the NFB, and we do expect it to be bullish. Okay, in the long run, is gonna give push to the Nasdaq. Okay, so this is gonna give a push to the Nasdaq November 6th. Then the third thing is we do have the stimulate package is gonna get approved, and there's gonna be a big fat package approved, and this package is gonna give a huge push to the indices to the upside. Okay, we can see this area right here, this price range. We can look at that price, which is the same range, 11,100 to 200 area, and that used to be a resistance right here, right? One time, two time, almost three times. Once it's broken, it did make a big rally to the upside. Okay, then after such a big rally, it did come down to find a support at the same area. Okay, so it became a support right here. Look at this, one time here, two time, three time, four times, five times. So they're holding ground at this price. The 11,100 price is holding ground so much. Okay, after another rally to the upside, which was nice. Okay, from here it did make like about 88% from this price, from this high. Then once it came back down right here, it's finding a support at this area. Okay, it's very important we don't go below this area. Okay, as long as we don't go below the 10,966 area, we should be good. We should be running to the upside. Okay, we should be going back to the upside, and that should be a good move to the upside right here. Okay guys, so we'll be looking to buy only Nasdaq, and your price should be around this range at 12,400. I think 12,400 is going to be a good target. Very important we don't break below here, because if we do break below here, then this is gonna probably send us down here. I don't expect it to happen, but everything is possible in the market, so I'm giving you the two scenarios. So if this happen, we may come all the way down here. This means all the stock markets are going to be crashing really hard. We can't see this happening. So really what we want to take only a buy from here with price action. The best scenario, if we can zoom this a little bit first, see right here, if we can get the cloud here to cross above, so which like this one here. Okay, I'm gonna just remove this, show you guys right here. If we can get something like this, this will be a confirmation to the upside. Okay, because now it's still a little bit too far. Okay, if you look at the smaller time frame, which like 1 hour time frame, this can be seen easier. Okay, we can see this one possibly that used to be a nice sell. Okay, that was a nice sell from here, right? It did go all the way down with the 1 hour time frame. Here start giving some indication of a reverse in the 1 hour time frame, so keep the eye on this one. Once it's confirmed, then this will be a good buy to the upside from here. Okay guys, also in the MACD you can see is this area only. You don't ever sell this anymore, you wait for the buy. The sell used to be right here at the top right here. See this, when the MACD was at the top and you get a signal, our trading system ABC gives a signal, that was really nice. But right now you only wait the best area and the best price action to take a buy. Okay, avoid any sell in this area. Okay guys, thank you. was the dollar index. The dollar did rise last week, really nice. Did put a lot of pressure in the euro. This week, what we do expect, of course, there's election, there's a lot of things happening, so you have to be very careful, okay? You have to be very careful. Also, the dollar was seeing the safe haven when the equity market was falling. So this week, what we do expect is reduce again of the dollar, so possibly will slow down a little bit, okay, given more time for the equity market to grow and rise, okay? So this week, we're going to be looking for a big move in the equity market, but also just like what we said last week, we're going to trade price action, okay? Because there is a chance this will continue going up all the way to the top of the channel. I don't think this is going to happen now, but it may happen, okay? So just be careful from this one. We're waiting for this to slow down, given more time for the equity market to grow. We've been saying the euro is going to crash so bad. You can see this started right here after the ECB meeting also. So this did break to the downside, okay? So the rise of the dollar did put pressure in the euro index, sending the euro to be really weak against everything. So you can see this one did break off this channel. So what we're looking for now is this down wave to continue all the way down to here. Okay, we may get a small correction. Don't buy any euro now. Euro will be only a sell, especially against Australia, New Zealand, Canadian. Okay, so this is we're going for this down wave all the way to here, not only to here or there, all the way down to here. Okay. Last week in the ECB, there was news that most likely is going to put a lot of pressure in the euro till December. Okay, so from now to end of December, the euro is going to be under pressure. The pound is going this upward channel. It's of course is going to be subject to the Brexit news. Most likely the pound is going to rally. So we're still looking for a strong upwave in the pound, but not against everything. CHF. So if we're going to get a good election going on with stimulus package, because the CHF and JPY are going to be really weak, so we're looking for a strong move in the CHF right now. JPY made like an ABCD formation. It's not 100% done, maybe come down all the way here, but from now on, JPY pairs only we're gonna buy. Don't sell it anymore. Okay, the sell was from the top here, was after this correction. Right now we're gonna take a buy. Also, guys, if you look at the MACD, it did start a buy right here, so this only a buy. Okay. Australian, we're gonna only look for a buy with equity market. Of course, you have to trade price action. Let's say something in a small time frame, you have like our ABC system or so, then it's gonna give you a buy signal. Then you take it, avoid any sell. That's the point. Okay, so avoid any sell, take only the buy. So AUD, we're looking this correction. We believe it's done right now. We're looking to go back up again, but you have to trade price action. New Zealand will be the same way. We do expect this to continue going up all the way here. Okay, Canadians the same way. Even you look at the MACD right here, start already in for our time frame a strong buy signal. It's probably gonna go up with a signal. You can see it bounce from the support level right here. So everything's showing that it's gonna go up. So really, we're looking for a buy in the CAD only. Gold last week we said to sell. Why the election may send the gold down? Because the bond market may rise. So if the bonds are going to rise, it's going to put pressure in the gold to send it down, regardless of the situation of the dollar index itself. Okay, if the dollar is going to rise, it's going to put even more pressure in the gold. Gold so far, as long as it doesn't break this trend line, we're looking only to sell all the way down to 1750. From 1750, if this scenario will happen, this will be a strong buy area, guys. Okay. USD crude, I think this is a really good buy. We have been saying to sell this one all the way down, possibly to between 32 to 36. I believe this is done. It's not gonna go further. Of course, you have to trade price action, but from here only buy. Don't take any sell. The Dow is a really good buy now, guys. This was a strong sell right here, all the way down here. The APCO trading system, guys, available on our website, fxmarketstore.com. If you'd like to download it, it works really good with oil, Dow Jones, okay, SPX. So that was sell. I believe this sell ended, and from here we only take every buy signal. Don't take any sell from here. This 26,000 is really good price to buy. I believe that The Dow probably is going to end the year around the 29 to 30,000. Again, very fast with the stimulate package. So this is only a buy, guys. Don't take any sell anymore. Of course, you may get some volatility to the upside or downside with the election news. Anything goes wrong in the election, you may get a strong down wave. I don't think this is going to happen, but just to let you know, okay? SPX, same scenario, we're only looking to take a buy. DAX, I think this is one of the best buys in Q4, so don't miss this buy. This is going really good. Uh, However, there's a lockdown in Europe, there's coronavirus, there's all these problems, but I believe this is going to go up to 14,000, okay? So you have 3,000 points in this one. Nasdaq from in this area also is going to be correlated to the other three ones, so it's going to be a buy. Euro, we've been saying sell euro only from last week, and we said this possibly like an ABCD formation is going to fall from any place. It did fall really nice. So we're looking for a down wave here. You may get a small correction to the upside, then continue going down. Eventually, euro dollar is going to be trading at 1.1180. Okay, this is the fair price. It should be down here. So keep this in mind. Okay, the price of the euro dollar when it was right here, we said 1.16 should trade at. So now it's 1.1650. I'm telling you, long term, euro dollar is going to come back to 1.118 in my forecast. I could be wrong. Pound dollar, we expect an up wave, then sell. Okay, so we're going to wait for an up wave, then sell it. USD CAD, I would take only a sell from here because I do expect all wave, then sell it. USD CAD, I would take only a sell from here because I do expect also in the MACD, you can see this is only start to sell. The dollar is gonna possibly be get weak a little bit or ranging, and the CAD is gonna get strong. This week we're gonna only look for a sell. Last week we said to take a buy, was good. Australian USD, we're looking for a buy in this area. We're not gonna take any sell anymore. The sell was right here. Euro bound, this may continue going down all the way here. However, you may get a small correction to the upside first, then coming down. Anyway, if we're looking only for a down wave, okay? A lot of people using elite waves and other analysis, they do expect this to break to the upside so strong. So guys, be clear of this. If this trend line is broken, not a fake break like this one, is really broken, possibly if this will happen, if you get bad news from the Brexit from the UK, then it's going to make the pound really weak. Then it's going to send the euro bound to the upside. I don't think this is going to happen. I think the euro bound is going to come down. Euro Australian, we're expecting a strong down wave, guys. Don't miss this one. This is 1.6560. This is going to come back to 1.60. There's 560 pips in this move. Okay. Euro CAD, this is also going to come down like 300 points. Don't miss this sell also. Euro New Zealand, the same scenario. This is only a sell. See, guys, the strength of the dollar did put pressure in the euro. Also, the ECB meeting and the direction they're going to take now, they're going to weaken the euro. So pay attention. This is fundamental news also into it. So this is going to send the euro really down. If the stock market is going up, so it's going to take the New Zealand with it. So New Zealand is going to be strong and euro is going to be really weak. Then euro New Zealand is going to crash. Pound Australian, we expect a strength of the Australian next week. So if this, we can see a price action to the downside, I'm going to take a sell. If I see a price action to the upside, I'm not going to take a buy. I'm going to buy pound Japanese yen or pound CHF. Okay, so pound CAD is the same thing, right? Pound Australian, if you see it coming down with price action, take the sell. Okay, pound New Zealand, the same scenario with price action, take the sell. Pound CHF, we're going to take a buy. If you can see the pound to continue going up, we're going to buy pound CHF or pound JPY, maybe even better. Australian Japanese yen, this is only a buy, guys. No more sell. Take a buy. If you pound CHF, we're gonna take a buy. If we can see the pound to continue going up, we're gonna buy pound CHF or pound JPY, maybe even better. Australian Japanese yen, this is only a buy, guys. No more sells in this area. Sell is done. Okay, even if it's gonna go down, just filter the sale. Don't take any more sells here. We're gonna wait to take a buy. New Zealand, the same scenario. New Zealand Japanese yen, we're gonna wait to take a buy. Canadian Japanese yen, only a buy. CHF JPY, I would prefer to avoid this one. CHF is a safe haven. Japanese yen is a safe haven. So it's gonna be like a fight against two safe havens. Your Japanese yen possibly we may get an up wave. However, we're selling the euro pound, euro Australian, euro New Zealand, euro Canadian with the euro Japanese yen. We may get an up wave next week. I'll prefer not to trade next week. USD JPY, I think this is the last chart, and I think this is going to be really, really good buy. Possibly we're gonna get about 300 points to the upside. We're looking for about 106.60. Okay, so that's about 200 points to start with. So about 200 to 300 points is gonna fly to the upside. So I'm looking only to take a buy in the USD JPY. Okay, guys, that's about 10 minutes. If you'd like to join our Signal group, or if you would like to download our ABC or APCO trading system, or VSA market scanner, which is going to give you the indexes right here against each other, and also this one is going to give you the indexes and the signal. All that stuff. A trend analyzer dashboard. The trend analyzer dashboard also is a very cool tool you can have within our website. Okay, guys, thank you. If you'd like to join, you guys are most welcome. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Please, next week. Okay, guys, that was a quick update of the weekly forecast. So please trade safe. So far, the entries are good. The analysis was right on. That week we were lucky. Last week we've had some wrong pairs. This week was good. So far, congratulations for you guys. This week was really, really good. Okay. Unfortunately, I have to go now, guys. I hope I see you later. I'll give you some update later today or so, if we do have like available time. Okay, best luck for you guys. Please trade safe. I do expect the Dow to continue going up, but watch out, he may get a spike down quick, then back up. So be careful from this. Also, gold, he may spike up or down very fast, like $50 price range. So please be careful from such a move. Okay. The Nasdaq, we may get a small correction to the downside because the MACD, as you can see here, is too high. Then after this will continue up. I will not recommend to sell. Just wait to take a buy. We made a separate video to buy the Nasdaq right from here, from the same exact area it did bounce from. We discussed the double bottom, and we discussed all this in a separate video. So if you didn't take this one, wait a little bit and buy from a lower price. Australian, New Zealand, Canadian are gonna move with the stock market. If the stock market is falling, all these three currencies are gonna fall with it. and the USD, CHF, safe havens are gonna rise. I do expect this will be just a correction down, then the equity market will continue going to the upside. Okay, so please trade safe and have a wonderful day. Thank you guys for the comments and for the likes. Also, if you're sharing the video on your social media, thanks a lot. If you would like to join our service, we do have signal service. Also, we do have trading systems, as you can see. They're available on our website. We have in the annual package 58% discount, so it costs $249. Also, right now, any package you would take from our website, it has a 30% extended time. So if you get 1 month, you're gonna get 30% extra time. If you get 3 months, you get 1 extra month free. If you get 1 year, you get 4 months free. Okay, so that's a bonus for this period. Okay, where a lot of companies make offers and discounts and stuff. So we're trying to be in the same page. Okay, guys, thank you and have a wonderful day.